in order to check the printer is whether taking ink or not, we at first we have to log in. So select login user, then go to admin, then press password as HIES and 0126, then press enter. It will take to automatically home screen, then go to maintenance. Okay, before going to check valve and all, you need to remove this screw. Here one screw will be there and here one screw will be there. Remove those screws and hold it here and pull it out. Pull it out as like this, and then later take a syringe like this. Okay, after taking a syringe, remove this ink sensors, and here you will see one filter. So remove this, and this also, it will come easily. Then fix this syringe too, like this, and then remove this part. Okay, not the middle one, the right one. It will be mentioned as D, pipe D. Okay, remove it by rotating it. It will be like this, anti-clockwise you will rotate, and I will remove it. It will be like this. Then take a beaker, and then select solenoid valve. Here you will screw some valves. At first you start a pump. Okay, then press valve 2. Okay, at this time please observe it is checking or not, it is pulling or not. See, it is pulling now, and the wash also coming from there. Then close it and back. This is for checking the ink line. Okay.